Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. In the previous Amazon tutorial, we showed you how to use the HTML text editor to enhance the product description of your Amazon listing. If that appealed to you, we now show you the second useful tool for Amazon FBA merchants, but also for other Amazon sellers as well. In this case, it's the Amazon Byte counter. For a detailed explanation on the difference between bytes and characters and why Amazon is counting using bytes, you can check our Amazon Backend keyword video. The link for it is on the top right of your screen. In a few words, not every character counts as 1 byte. Emojis count partially as 4 bytes and the euro currency symbol as 3 bytes. To avoid exceeding your 250 bytes limit when you apply backend keywords, we offer you this tool. The link for it can be found in the description below. Here you can simply paste your prepared list of keywords or start one from scratch. What happens once you've exceeded your limit of 250 bytes? In short, the keywords won't be indexed, hence your effort will be for nothing. Here's a small tip to make sure that your keywords have been indexed besides the use of our tool, of course. Give the ASIN of your product plus a backend keyword of this product in the search bar. If the product shows up in the results, you know that the keyword has been indexed. In the next eBakery tutorial, you'll learn how to remove double keywords. Until then, have fun using our Byte counter tool. Your eBakery team.